Yes, over to you.
So we'll be doing some lessons on junctions,
Yeah.
and I'll see your ability to drive on the road and to see the confidence how you've been doing.
Yeah.
So drive on when you're ready.
So you'll be prompting?
Prompt you. Well done. This checking the mirrors and then signaling on time and then coming on the road. That was really good.
Oh, thank you.
What would be the speed of this road, do you think?
I think it's 20.
Yes, right. Yeah. We'll take this road on your right. So mirror first, then you do the signaling.
Oh, okay.
And this is the reference point of this side. We will not do the. Make sure you're not doing any corner cut.
Okay.
So the new road, you need to check the mirror. Mirror first, rear mirror and the right wing mirror, left wing mirror. Because there are parked cars and the car is on, we'll take the end of the road, turn right, please. Slow down as there is a windows and also a person looking and the wheel out looking. Where do you think we should stop?
Yeah, with my reference point, yeah.
Here? Okay.
Yeah.
Now there is no cars coming up. You can come out slowly and then check on the. We'll be driving on the left-hand side of the road, left lane of the road. As you
Oh, yeah.
So the you should have checked the mirror first. So new road, new mirror again. There are car coming, parked cars. So the checking the mirror, what would be? Well, if you do not check the mirror, what causes not checking the mirror? Why are you not checking?
Oh, I forgot about it.
Okay. So what can happen if you do not check the mirror?
Oh, yeah, they can be motorbike cyclists, or maybe car is overtaking.
Yes. You can look. You can be more flexible by tilting your head, but make sure you do check your mirrors quite often because that is one of the important to drive. End of the road, turn right, please.
Okay.
So the check both first rear mirror, then right wing mirror. Then you put the signal.
Oh, yeah, that's what, yeah. If you can just remind me, please.
Okay. And then stop here. There is no car. We can if there is no car, we can just come out, and then because there is a parked car, we can come to the crown of the road. Yeah. Now put some gas, a little, not too much, from 50p to 1.5.
Okay.
As you can see, we'll turn the next road on your right.
This one.
Yes. So the mirror first.
Oh, mirror, yeah.
Mirror first and then signal. There was a cyclist was wrong. Come on, and then come here. Then check your reference to turn right.
Yeah.
Okay. Then turn right. Look over the shoulder. Just check any cyclist driving or motorcyclist. New road, new mirror, well done. That was a good check.
Thank you.
What can you see in front of us?
There's a parked car, I think.
Yeah, so we need to slow down. It's a meeting point.
Or slow down.
Because there is a van coming and we need to slow down here, stop here, let them go.
Should I stop?
We can go, roll on. there was enough space, ample space to go, so it was good. You rolled up. So when you slow down, you did check the mirror, which is good. You take the crown of the road, no problem, and then come back here. It was quite intense, but you done well.
Okay.
So checking the mirror, we'll turn right on your, take the next road on your right. So mirror fast, then put the signal on. Mirror, then signal. Mirror, then signal. We don't know what this car is doing. He's allowing us. Then you go a little bit more, not to do the cut corner.
Yeah. Okay.
Which was good. You didn't pull up on the left when it's safe to do so. So here is good.
Okay.
Slow down. We'll secure the car.
Out of rule, yeah? Anything happening with the learners with the user mirrors getting better? No.
A little better.
A little better, okay. How's your route directions?
The road direction was a little better than earlier. But this time, somebody was giving away. Sorry, somebody was pushing. Though we had a good timing, but I shouldn't have come up and just stop there. Because sometimes you give them.
With this car?
No, the white car, the white Range Rover.
Range, yes. Should be holding it back.
Holding it back.
Yeah. So your learner and that car was quite fast.
Yes.
Your learner was slower there. So we kind of gone into the kind of aggressive, make him to slow down.
Yeah. So yeah, that's I got it.
Yeah.
So do we talk this now that in that situation what could have been done?
Yeah.
Instead of not pushing.
Or have a look now. Why you're not prompting in good time?
When the car was approaching.
When the car for the mirrors.
Okay.
For the mirrors especially. And for the car you asked to go. Your learner was not able to go. He was trying to slow down actually. But he said go and get up. I knew it that we're gonna meet up at that point and that car gonna slow down.
Okay.
Because they were approaching fast.
So you should have hold back.
Yeah.
And then what would be then happen? What could cause this kind of situation? So you should hold back and then let the cars go. Some people will be faster than you, and then because they already got the license.
No, it's not with the license. It can be any other, maybe another vehicle coming up, but their pace is much faster than you.
Yes.
So they're traveling faster distance than you, than your learner, your car. So we are here. That car is. If they push the gas down, and I'm driving 10 miles here, they're gonna pick up 20, 15 to get all of a sudden. So I'm slower than this. They pick up quick and they will come close to me.
Okay.
So for me, it was a long distance, and if you see that cars had moved into the crown of the road, pushing in this middle of the road there, so we could have pulled back there.
Yeah.
Or then, if you have planned it, ask the learner to push the gas down and take the cab. We're going to meet up after the cars on the left, which we did meet up there. How you can improve your prompting? Take the next road left. Check. Remember 2 mirrors first before signal. 2 mirror first. Which 2 mirror be looking at?
If you're turning left wing mirror, rear mirror, left wing mirror.
Yeah.
If you're turning right, rear mirror, then right wing mirror.
Yeah. You did praise me twice, which is very good. In your marking sheet, it says feedback within the session, between the session, that will get marked down, like 3.
To make me happy.
In the teaching and learning strategies.
This one?
No. This is, no, not this one. This is if something goes wrong. Here it says, was somewhere here?
Was the people given appropriate timely feedback during the session?
During the session, this one. And that was very good feedback from you. Also well done for moving off checking this mirror and checking a blind spot and
Yes.
everything.
So then again.